Magnet tiles again.
And I'm over here because it's windy and we can't play, right, Nathan?
Yeah, well, you're playing with magnet tiles.
Yeah.
She's doing some magnet tiles.
And after that, we're in the thunder advisory and the windy advisory, right, Nathan?
Yes, hey guys, I know how to eat it. See this? See this? I know how to eat it. So,
Put some chemicals in there.
yeah. Okay. I know.
And my first video, mine is
Yeah.
and my brother.
Yeah. If you guys forgot from the last video, it's me, Nathan, and he's Evan. If you didn't know that.
What's up, Shaders?
Yeah.
So if you get the Shaders
Doing your
hands,
magnet tiles. So tell them what this is. This is your wall, right?
yeah. And today, look out the
I know.
windows.
We did that. We did that.
The tree branch.
I know, because we did that in the other video. So, magnet tiles. And that's Evan's magnet tiles. Bye.